Yeah, hi, Tim Nelson here from Encore Packaging. Today we're doing a quick demo of the difference between our pallet clip and the use of stretch film to hold loads together. So we did a quick comparison between running 10 loads of stretch film compared to our 10 loads with the pallet clip. Pallet clip is designed to last 250 to 300 load wraps on this side of it. So you can see here the amount of stretch film that we generated in the use of just 10 loads of material compared to no waste with the pallet clips. Thanks so much. These are great uses for internal movement of product. Tim Nelson, Encore Packaging. Thank you. today at our pallet clips, the EP5000, and this is a placard board which makes it really easy using a dry eraser to mark your product on your pallet clip for visibility on your unit there. Here, when you're looking using stretch film, we'll take and here I put the wrong product down. I can't even erase it very well. And then you have to take your paper down, and then you have to get a roll of tape. And put that up on your pallet. So we have the placard compared to the paper, and then the placard is reusable.